Hello everyone, and welcome back to Look Cookbook. Today, I'm going to show you one of the simplest and fastest comfort dishes you can make. Classic egg fried rice. You only need a few basic ingredients: cooked rice, a cup of eggs, and green onions. In just 5 minutes, you will have a delicious bowl of fried rice ready to serve. For the best texture, use day-old rice that is being chilled in the fridge overnight. But if you're in a hurry, freshly cooked rice will work too. Just let it cool down a bit before cooking. The only prep work you need is chopping the green onions. Slice 3 or 4 stalks into fine pieces, and then we're ready to cook. Heat your wok over high heat until it's almost smoking. This is the key for getting that signature wok heat, what we call 锅气 in Chinese. The slightly smoky aroma that make fried rice so good. Add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or avocado oil and swirl it around so it coats the surface of the wok. Now, crack in 2 or 3 eggs. Immediately scramble the egg whites first, then the yolks, separating them a bit. Give the final dish a nicer color and texture than fully blended eggs. Next, adding all the chopped green onions and give everything a quick stir. Season with salt and black pepper. Then stir again to release the aroma. Now, add the cooked rice. Stir vigorously over high heat until everything is well combined. The whole cooking process should take just 3 to 5 minutes, and you will want to keep everything moving to avoid burning while creating that perfect wok heat. Now, transfer the rice to a bowl, then transfer to a plate, so shape it into a nice round dome. And that's it. Your simple, tasty egg fried rice is ready to enjoy. Thanks for watching Look Cookbook. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more authentic Chinese dishes on the channel. See you next time.